not wrong. Yep. Yeah. All right, let's get it. It's gonna be wet and cold.
Let's fucking go.
Once again, did not prepare for this.
Not at all.
Did not expect snow.
But
Oh,
we're doing it.
look at the snow up there, dude. Look at the snow up there. That's so funny. Damn, daddy. That is fucking... Okay.
We're June, today what?
Yo,
June
this
21st.
This looks like it's gonna be actually worse than I thought. What did we get into?
That's what we always do.
This is ridiculous.
Oh shit. Are we on summers or winters?
Summers. If it's not much uphill, I think it'll be fine.
Yeah,
Are we sliding?
A little bit. Yeah,
We're having fun?
a little bit.
Are you scared? Are you nervous?
Oh, I'm totally fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, that's the most
That's only
important part.
30 minutes, so
I don't think there's much elevation gain. It's just gonna be
yeah, that
straight.
is, it should be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Should I go first?
Sure.
Yeah.
Oh boy. I think this music is funny with the
The whole scenery. Yeah. And all of it.
Bro, you're not making Robs look good, dude. You gotta pull over for the BRZ, baby. Like, what the hell? Oh, God. Oh, boy.
I will say, bravo.
So, do you feel like you don't need a sleeping bag still?
No, I probably do.
Do you feel like you need more warm clothes?
Honestly, it's still not that cold. I think if I have shoes.
You've been in the car this whole time,
Yeah,
dude.
dude, but like, I feel like I can stand in this for hours. I think it'll be fine.
You know what? Let him find out.
Yeah,
Let him find out. All right.
Wait, so this is the same hike that we got snowed in on.
Yes, exactly.
Parked over there.
Yeah, that's exactly right. We're here for round two, baby. Let's go.
Wait, so how we're gonna get all the way back here by tomorrow?
Dude,
So this is,
did you talk to this guy at all?
no. So the idea is you will drive us to Sunshine.
Yeah.
You go back in and out. I don't think you will be able to complete the trail.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, and then you guys will finish up.
yeah,
come back
because you
here.
can't even spend the second night.
No. Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. I was like, holy fuck, we're gonna do it in one day. Which, I mean, we probably could. It's like
Yeah, I mean you can.
40K? Hey, let's do it. Why not?
Let's just get to the trailhead and we'll decide from there. What, you can't call in sick?
No, I can't. I gotta teach.
Nah, fuck the kids. fuck them kids.
Whoa, wait, so we're not gonna go. Oh wait, fuck, never mind. Sorry. Yeah. Man, so it's gonna be a long drive. We gotta go all the way back.
Sunshine.
Yeah. Oh fuck.
Yeah. I thought you know this.
Yeah, I think I just didn't like intern.
You also didn't clear that it's a 5-hour drive. We thought, we brought that up.
Thought.
Alright, someone's gonna have to.
Well, you thought you got a massive trunk, really?
Yeah.
It's because you had this.
I was so surprised. I was like, wait, what?
It's like that. Except it's not.
All right. Bye, Taco. Shall see you soon. Hello, BRZ.
Let's do it.
Oh, fuck.
Sorry, dude, all my food is like down here.
This isn't the food you're bringing, is it?
It is 100%.
So it's not in the...
March, January,
Yeah, just plow the fucking...
What's the clearance on this baby?
I don't know, man, but not much.
Yeah.
All right. I think I found the one. Down hybrid,
Hey, they got down.
164.
Just put that down,
Dude,
dude.
who would take them? Like, what is this?
I mean, going car camping.
Oh, I guess that's true.
Ready to spend $299.
Holy! Hold on, but here's 164, 149. This is more packable. This is gonna be warmer.
I don't know if I'll get down from woods. I mean, why not? But it sounds like your type of shit. Janky and...
My socks are actually woods.
No.
Down to 10 degrees.
No. That's not an option. So...
So,
What's up? The shopping spree continues.
oh yeah, I wonder what the next store is gonna be.
Last minute sleeping bag. Gloves.
Oh man.
Yo, you gotta buy this one. This one's so
Yeah, I like that one.
How's it look?
It looks good. I think it might keep you warm, but not as much as it should.
You think it's like? If
I honestly think you should get that. That's what you need. Yeah.
Like if a girl saw me, would she be all over me because I'm wearing this?
I don't see no gondola. I think we walk in.
At least we don't have to walk pushback like last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was
Like 45 degree.
Yeah. Let's do it. You ready?
Oh, I'm 100%.
You prepared?
100%
You think so?
I couldn't be more prepared.
Yeah, you definitely could be. You absolutely could be more prepared.
Do you fucking see the snow up there?
Damn, dude, look at that snow.
That's where we're going.
Well, I mean, we'll be up there. Yo, he looks zen as fuck. His paw's like just sitting there for you to sit on, you know? I don't think you should be standing on that.
Maybe not with those shoes.
Where? It's inside the car? Yeah, I was gonna grab it.
What's it? Oh, wait, there you go again.
What is this? My lunchbox. You're not bringing a lunchbox.
Okay, fine.
Because that's a 70 liter, right? Or 60.
I'm not even using the bottom pouch. No, I think I have something in there. Yeah, you have flip-flops.
Bro.
I thought it was gonna be warm milk.
Well, to be fair, Chris almost brought his flip-flops.
No, it's not the flip-flops, but there's nothing in here. What is this? Okay, so you do have a cover. That's good to know. Did you know you had a cover? No, I can't figure out it was in there. Okay.
Take the flip-flops
Please
out.
tell me this isn't the poncho. No. I have my poncho inside.
Okay, alright, we can use that though.
Give me your sleep bag. Give me your sleeping bag.
Thanks, man.
Would you look at that? There's actually room to be on the inside of your bag. Wearing my shoes, my mat.
Yeah, thank you. What is this?
Things that he just bought.
My toiletries.
Bro.
You're not wearing this right now.
What do you mean?
Dude.
I'm putting my poncho.
You're gonna be too hot.
You're gonna be too hot.
Oh, walking in it.
Yeah. We need to keep that dry.
Yeah.
That's like the only... Okay, what's this?
Just pants.
Alright.
I could probably leave those.
No, bring them. It's like one of the only things you have.
More pants. No, that's what I was saying. Maybe.
Yo, you brought 2 pairs of pants and no coat? What the fuck?
That's what I was saying.
No, bring them, because you're gonna layer them later. You're gonna wear 3 pairs of pants, I guess. Okay.
It's too good. Right, what else you got?
That's too good.
I can't believe you wanted to bring a toiletry bag, you stupid fuck.
It weighs a pound
okay,
or two.
poncho. I got it. Thank God. That's not what I asked you. Give me your warm shit.
You were gonna wear both of these?
Yeah, what do you mean?
Yo, you crazy fuck!
These are at the top. You get hungry. That's a good idea, yeah.
Were you gonna bring that glass Tupperware?
He was gonna bring a whole lot of toiletry in a fucking bag. That's not even
Here we are. Round two.
Round 2.
Sunshine.
You know, we're missing some people, but, you know, that's how this turned out, I guess, you know.
We're still here.
Yeah, but what can you do?
What can you do?
That's life, you know, we get old, and people are busy.
And keep in mind, today is June 21st.
The longest day of the year.
Is it?
Yeah, the summer solstice.
Summer solstice today?
Yeah. The summer solstice.
Look at the snow on top. This is, again, round 2. Back in the same weather. Thought this time would be different.
Absolutely no different.
Some things never change. Some things never change.
I mean, he looks more prepared than before.
Yeah,
He's got rain pants. Yeah.
Okay,
Let's go.
let's get it.
Let's do it. We got what, 20K today?
20K.
20K? Jesus Christ. Wow.
Yeah, you must be kind of a bitch to put the poncho on every
Oh
time.
man, yeah. It's way looser than I thought I was gonna do.
All right, we're kilometer 0.3.
Yeah. Just started, baby. 0.3? Wow.
Wow. Already falling behind. I mean, guys, that's good spacing if we're trying to not get hit by mortars and machine gun fire. he's gonna hate this.
Roughing it out here. Actually, no, you have all the right equipment.
This will be fine.
Yeah, just my ass.
What's wrong with your ass?
My ass is hurting.
Why?
From I think the incline. It's a lot of glute.
Bro.
Dead blind spot.
Oh God!
We just started.
We're not even at the trail yet. It's probably still a while.
We're almost halfway up to the trail.
It's not as bad as I thought. Way better than last time for sure.
Yeah.
Fuck out of here, bro. Way better than I thought.
That's your water bottle, eh?
I have enough.
A nice heavy metal water bottle. Yeah.
Imagine that in a toiletry bag and the glass Tupperware container.
And the whole paper towel.
Yeah, God. How have you not learned how to pack a bag yet?
Dude, because I haven't done a multi-day hike since I think I was telling him since we did this one.
Damn, dude. That's probably for the best.
Okay.
Alright, let's get going.
Oh,
Oh, really? Really? What did I say?
it's not ideal.
Do you have a sweater on under that?
What?
Or just t-shirt? Okay, good. A nice, heavy wool t-shirt. Dude, you might want to just go shirtless, to be honest.
What, too?
Yeah. Well, that is obviously not going to keep you warm later.
Don't worry, I have another one of these.
Okay, that's
The exact same thing.
fantastic. I mean, it would have been better to have two.
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully the gondola's running, so hopefully we can catch it. If this looks familiar, that's where we slept the first night the last time we tried this. Up that fucking little divot there. And where's the shaka? Oh.
Oh, there he is. All around me are familiar faces. Worn out faces. Worn out faces. And I find it kind of funny. I find it kind of sad.
Last time, Chris went over to rescue Shaka to carry his backpack. Was more than halfway in. We haven't even started the trail. He's already going back for it. What happened, dude?
I don't know.
This guy been doing too much DMT.
Getting old. Getting a little fat.
With your backpack. How do you feel?
I don't know.
How does it feel?
I mean, last time too, that was like at the very end of the trail, and now it's before the trail. I feel slightly ashamed with this setup, but it is much more pleasant. Right.
How much do you think he weighs in total?
30 pounds? I don't know. Like,
That?
I can.
He's a sad boy. Slow sad boy.
Oh, sad boy.
A sad boy.
Sad boy.
Sad boy.
Eat fresh.
What?
Time for a break.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah, we'll take a break. Just a question of where.
Motherfucker.
Alrighty, we got 25k to Assiniboine. 24, I guess. I mean, we're not gonna stop at Howard Douglas. Yeah.
If it comes to that point.
Depends how slow this guy is. We're gonna have to, once again,
At this rate.
we might have to stop at Howard Douglas again. Fuck. Yeah, it's just gonna give us a very long day to.
Next 2 days.
Yeah. I mean, that'll be 25k a day pretty much. Wow, so beautiful. Except it's not. Welcome to
June 21st.
Summer solstice, baby.
Oh fuck.
Ow.
Yo, this is great packaging. So I think we should just camp like there.
Okay, I'm just gonna back out of this.
Go! Oh!
All right, can we go safely or?
Oh, okay. What's happening, bro?
I'm so glad we have. Let's see, 52. It's our sad boy. Look who finally showed up.
I should take a picture of this. This is what I've seen 30 times today.
And we're back.
Back again.
Doesn't this look familiar? I don't even know where he is. Sad boy.
I think we have this exact same video 5 years ago.
I'm gonna do it side by side.
Yeah. It's like literally the exact same. You're standing right there, me and probably Sarin, like walking up. My
Your thoughts on your review on what we just did today?
Actually wasn't that bad. I think.
But why are you so fucking slow, dude?
I think I'm just like out of shape. My cardio is kind of shitty. I think that's the problem.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello, Si.
You can see the sign is still here. No fires. We'll change that. Welcome back. Does it bring back fucking horrible memories? PTSD or what? Well, I would like some separation so I don't hear fucking this guy snoring or...
What about me, bro? I'm stuck with you.
Yeah,
I don't snore.
probably do.
Syringe snore.
He does snore,
So I
yeah.
only have it one
As
person.
much as he denies it.
Well, dude, I'm coming in one way or another.
Snuggle up. Rise and shine, bitches. What's up? Who's feeling great to conquer another snowy day?
They're waking up at 9.
It's 8:35, almost 8:40.
Oh, it's not 9.
You don't want trail mix? No. It's a trail mix.
Well, shut up.
This is where we part ways, though.
Which way are you guys going?
I gotta check out map. No, we're not going that. Nobody's going that way, dude. This is where we part ways. Because this guy's a bitch and can't call him sick. As always, appreciate you coming through.
Yeah, dude.
It was fun.
good
Making it
to
happen.
come. It was good to
Entertaining,
come.
for sure. Very good.
You gotta go ahead. Oh, sorry, man.
No, yeah, sorry, bro.
Well,
Shut up.
it was
Just
good.
shut up, bro.
Well, it was truly a pleasure, you know.
Yeah, it was entertaining.
It was an honor. Yeah.
Time to
Appreciate
part
you
ways.
coming through.
Hopefully you don't get lost in that small distance back.
Yeah, I mean, there's a good chance this might be the last video that's ever taken of me.
Yeah.
But the journey continues for us.
Good luck.
Thanks for coming through.
I hope you guys make it.
We'll do
You
it.
will make it.
What, we got no choice, bro. We got no choice. We have to make it.
How you can always go back?
Our car's there.
Our car's
Yeah, that's
there.
true,
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
We got no choice, bro. Yeah, it's definitely warming up.
Yeah.
Oh, everything's gonna be thick and slushy and
Mucky.
mucky.
Mucky. I have a feeling my feet are going to stay cold for the rest of this next 2 days. Good start. Yep, I think we go that way, and you go that way. All right, dude.
It's good seeing you guys.
Stay safe,
Good
man.
luck. Stay safe.
Survive.
Please survive.
Let us know
I'll
when you're
document
there.
it. I'll document it. All right, guys.
Best of luck.
Good luck.
Take care, buddy.
Let me know when you make it to the end.
We'll do.
Yeah. Here goes our sad boy. All alone. On his own. Trekking into the wilderness. Will he survive? Stay tuned next time on Sad Boy Adventures.